welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another video here on our channel. I'm so sad to say that this will be my last Boxycharm unboxing for right now. I just haven't been excited and really wowed and happy with my boxes lately. So I'm always wishing for other people's boxes, and yeah, so I'm just gonna give it a break for a minute. I don't know for how long. I'm just at that point where I'm just unhappy with my boxes, so it's time to give it a break. With that being said, I hope that you guys are gonna stay and watch this video, and if you do enjoy it, I hope you do. Please do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please do turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my future videos. So if you guys want to see my last Boxycharm unboxing, then just keep on watching. So the theme for this month is Boxycharm Harvest, and you know, a palette would have been nice to be in my box, you know, to create a fall harvest look. But again, there is no palette in my box. I mean, it's unknown what we get on our boxes, but we've been... okay, let's just move on, you guys. Let's just move on. The first thing that we are going to talk about is my pick for this box. For the $25, you can pick one product for your box, and I did get to pick one, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Gimme Brow Plus Volumizing Eyebrow Gel. And you guys, I've never tried this product before. I know, so it'll be a treat for me and for you, because I will be struggling to use this, because like you, brow is a process. So let's just get to it, you guys. So this little tiny thing right here is $24. It says this is a tinted eyebrow gel. It contains tiny microfibers, so that is what's gonna make our hair appears thicker. It says that the fibers will adhere to our skin and hairs. It will create natural looking fullness and definition. It says that the custom tiny taper brush, it will provide easy mess proof application. Fuller looking brows magically appear. We shall see. So this is what it looks like inside, and like I said, I'm probably the last person on earth that seen this in person, so hello. So it says right here is 5. I'm assuming that is the shade of this, so let's just open it and see. So this is the tiny one that we have. Let me see the color. So I'm assuming that is dark brown, or is that black? If you have a good amount of brows and you just need a little bit of filling in and a little fluff on your brows, then I think this product is amazing. So you guys, I had to use my holy grail, which is BrowbarbyReema. This is the True Glam Brow Makeover Kit. This is in dark, but I did use this to you know, fill up the front, so I really like it for that. I can definitely use this you know, to set the brows, but on its own, I don't think I can use it on its own. I don't hate it, but I also don't love it on its own. Anyways, the next two products that I have in the box are both skincare products. Don't get me wrong, I love my skincare products, but I feel like I'm getting more skincare products in my box rather than makeup products. So that's all I had to say about that. Let's go ahead and get to it. The first one is a booster. So this is from 111 Skin. I've been using a lot of products from this brand, and I've been loving it. My skin is going through something right now, just a little stress, but you know, that's on me, not the products. This is a Hyaluronic. I can never say that, so we're just gonna pretend like I said that perfectly. Acid Aqua Booster. It says that this will increase moisture level by delivering a shot of concentrated hydrating ingredients into skin to combat both dryness and dehydration. This retails for $135. So this bottle has 20 ml, 0.68 fluid ounces. I do love the dropper. I really enjoy that. It says on the box to mix 1 to 2 drops with your moisturizer, or you can just use it on its own. I'm just gonna use it on its own, so I'm gonna take 1, 2, and we are just gonna pat that onto our skin, just like that. Just like that. Now that we have the booster serum, I think this is a booster serum. Now that we have our booster, let's go ahead and move on to serum. So this one is from Farsali, Farsali Prive. This is Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. This will help to replenish moisture with a unique complex of low and high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. The staggered molecular weights of the hyaluronic acid are designed to help promote multi-depth hydration on both the skin surface and in the epidermis. And this only retails for $24, and it has 30 ml, 1 fluid ounces. I think it's just such a clean looking component. Oh, and it's glass, you guys. It's glass, and it is a, you know, another squeezy dropper. So it's the same thing with the booster. You use 1 to 2 drops with this. You can use this morning and night. It says use it before your creams. You know, your serums are always before your moisturizers. Oh, that's a lot. You don't even need 2 drops. Yes, this is definitely thicker consistency than the first one. And just pat that. So I feel like with that serum, it dried up my skin just a little bit. I don't know what that is all about. Usually my serum, it feels very moisturizing on the skin. So I don't know, maybe the combination of two. The next product that we have in the box is a liquid corrector. Let me read this for you guys. Yes, it says Jecca Blac Liquid Corrector 2.0. It says meet the perfect under eye. Oh, so this is an under eye brightener. It says, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. The lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. So this retails for $15. This is a new launch, you guys. I've never heard of this company, so glad to be able to try it. So it says apply under the eye with a small brush or fingertips. Can be used alone or before applying concealer. It offers a light coverage and corrects under eye darkness. It says be fearless, you look fabulous. So I am gonna put a little bit, maybe a lot. So it is a bit liquidy, and it has like a peachy pink color. We're gonna use our finger. I feel like with correctors, it is best to use your fingers so it will warm the product. So we're going to use it under the eyes. So I am not very versed with correctors. I feel like the correctors that I've used before has a thick consistency than this for sure. And definitely has more color than this. But I'm sure this is good because it will not peek through our foundation. Gosh, let's try to use a brush. I don't know if did I put enough? I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face. I will link all the products I'm gonna use in the description below. Yeah, I'm gonna do all that and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I know the face is looking a mess, but I'm not done setting it. But I wanted to use the last product in the box on the face before I set the cream product. So this is Half Caked Game Changer. There's 3 lip products in here, but I wanted to use one of them as a blush. Yes, as a blush. This is Half Caked Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. So we have 3 liquid lipsticks in here, and they go on with a feather light texture and dry completely matte. And it says for best wear, make sure lips are exfoliated and hydrated before applying. which my lips are not. And this trio right here retails for $32. I love the topper, you guys. It is so cute. All the packagings are cute. And this are the shade that we have here. So this are the swatches for the shade, you guys. So we have 82 Bordeaux. We have, what's the other one? Low Key and Theme Song. So one of them is going to be on the cheeks and two of them is going to be on the lips. We're going to take Low Key, you guys. I am low key nervous. We're just going to try this and yeah, dab it on our hand. I haven't set my face, so we're not worried about powder breaking. You know, our foundation breaking, I meant. So, ooh. Oh my goodness. So we are gonna use this as a cheek stain. Okay. Might not be a bad decision. Might not be the worst decision I ever made. Of course, I have to set my face, so that will definitely get blended more on my skin. So I'm not mad about it. I need to blend it a little bit more, so I think it matches our eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, set my face, and then I'll come back and we'll do the lip combo. We are down to our last two products. So we have let's see, 82 Bordeaux and Theme Song. So I'm gonna use the red first and then we're gonna tone it down with this one, just the middle. We don't have any lip liner, so we're just gonna go with it. So you guys, even with no lip liner, I think it looks okay. I know I suck at applying lipstick. Let's just say it. But let's just go ahead and move on. So now I'm going to take the Theme Song and I'm going to put this in the middle. And, you know, let's just go with it. It looks so good though, just with the red. It's perfect for the holiday look with just simple glam on the eyes. And this is classic look. But, you know, we have to use the other one too. So I'm just going to do it. I think it's good like that, but I liked it, you know, with the red, but I liked it a little bit toned down with the eyes. We don't want it to clash. So what do we think, you guys? I love the Half Caked products for sure. Love that I used it on the cheeks. Even after I set it with just translucent powder, not translucent powder, with my Airspun powder is still peeking through, so I love that. I didn't set it with a blush powder. I didn't set it with a blush powder and it's still peeking through, so I love it. I love it, love it. Let's see, the Gimme Brow, it didn't really wow me. I know that that's my pick for this month's box, and I was so excited for that because I've never tried that product and everybody raves about Gimme Brow. Maybe I should try the pencil and not that one, but it just didn't do it for me. You know, I have my go-to brow products and the corrector. I don't think I used it right. I just didn't see any difference. But then again, I don't really have a very dark under eye, so I don't know. Maybe I didn't use it right. The skincare, always good to have. Yeah, so you guys, that is the end of this unboxing, and I just want to give my final goodbye to Boxycharm. I mean, who knows? Maybe in a couple of months I'll change my mind and miss my Boxycharm and resubscribe. Who knows? But right now it's just, I'm not happy with my boxes, you guys. In the beginning of my subscription, I was so ecstatic. I'm just so blown away with the products that I was getting with my Boxycharm. I feel like if I'm not getting what I want for something that I'm paying $25, I mean, I know I'm getting a lot out of $25, but subscription's supposed to be something that you open, you're like, wow, you know, this is just, you're so excited. It's like you're getting a gift every month, and that's just not how I feel about this boxes lately. So it's time for me to give it a pause, I guess. I shouldn't say forever, but give it a pause and yeah, maybe find another one to unbox. I do love my unboxing. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you still subscribe to Boxycharm. Let me know your experience. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And yeah, everything you guys need to know is going to be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.